Welcome to our company. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of the X6 Pro system. This particular system is our best seller. It came out last February. The company released it, and oh my God. We have already done a field test on this system, and we have published it, so I would really recommend that you go back and take a look at what we have in our library in regards to this system. What we're going to do today is talk a little bit about its capabilities, what it can do for you. So if you are an archaeologist or a treasure hunter, this is for sure the system for you. Let's take a look at what it is, and then we'll talk a little bit about it. It comes with a pellet shock-proof case, a waterproof shock-proof tablet with preloaded software on it. This is the probe that will take the scans for us. It can be operated in 3 different modes. The concentrated mode, we operate it vertically. We can also operate it concentrated horizontally. And we have what we call a free walking mode, where you can actually do a live scan of the earth beneath you. This is the handle that comes with it. Very simple. We clamp it right here, and this handle can be extended to whatever level we want it to be. As you can see, we control the level. It also comes with 2 chargers, one for the tablet and one for the probe, and of course it comes with the user manual. Let's talk a little bit about this system. It has the capabilities of penetrating up to 60 feet underneath the ground. It will ground balance with all types of soils, whether there is moisture, water, mineral soil. It has no problem ground balancing with it. It has the capability of finding any type of metal that is buried. It can also find caves, bunkers, and tunnels. It is currently being used by 2 different military forces around the world. Some of them use it on the border to find out and to locate smuggling tunnels. Other government agencies use it to uncover buried objects of interest. It's very versatile, very easy to use, and it is also lightweight. The entire system, the handle and the probe, only weighs 3 pounds, 1.5 kilos. Very light, which gives you the ability to actually walk with it and scan with it without your arms getting tired. I truly recommend that you look at our field test to see how sophisticated and how powerful this system is. The software that comes with it is one of a kind, unlike any software on the market today. It has the capability of identifying the shape of your targets, telling you the depth of your target, and the type of metal that is buried down there. We appreciate you staying with us. We really thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and contact us now. You are not going to regret owning one of these systems. I do not. It is absolutely wonderful. Have a nice day.